Hey, what's up everyone? Sorry for the delay in videos. I wasn't really sure how I wanted to do this, but I think I figured it out, and I think you're really going to like the way everything came together. Um, this is my first, really any type of hunt, especially with a bow. It's my first archery hunt. Luckily I had an awesome friend there, Nate, to help me out, and together we were able to pull it off, so hope you enjoy the video.
What's up, fellas? It is 11:45 at night. Me and Gonzo just got off of work, and the hunting season, archery season starts here in about like 8 hours. It's gonna be the shooting time.
Yep.
And so we're about to make a nice little 2-hour drive to an undisclosed location, and hopefully we can get after them. We're gonna stop by and well, in the morning we're gonna get up and we're gonna head over to this little spring that I found a little earlier than in the season, and hopefully we can strike one there and then probably move around depending on what type of pressure this place is seeing, and come out with 2 elk, which would be really nice. Alright guys, we're out here. It's like 4:30 in the morning.
We did some nasty hiking. Nasty.
We've probably went a half a mile, quarter mile, down probably some of the steepest terrain. And we've already had 4 cows came across us down here in this little bowl. But it's obviously before shooting hours, so got about an hour left, and hopefully we can stick one.
What up, guys? So, we're calling it quits for the day. Not for the day, for the morning. We're gonna go catch some shut-eye, eat some food. It's freaking freezing up here. We found Nate's first spot. Right here. We barely missed it. We missed it by like, I don't know, 100 feet maybe. But check it out. We got that mushroom man right here. It's cold though. It's so cold. Alright, we're gonna go back to the truck and get some food and warm up. Alright, so we're back at base camp here in the bed of my truck, and pretty much I'd call it quits for the first morning of opening day. We had, well, how many? 4 monster elk come in, but it was way before shooting hours, and honestly I couldn't even see the damn things. But so we're headed back, eating some MREs, and we're gonna take a nap and head back out this evening. Hopefully we have the same luck we did earlier today at a more convenient time. Ain't that right? How's that clam chowder? Alright, so we just opened up my chicken noodle and vegetable and sauce MRE, and then we was like, oh, there's a brownie in here. Let's get a closer look at that brownie. Dude, what is that? You building a house with that?
Probably the driest brownie I've ever had. But it'd do.
Alright, we just finished setting up our our nap stations. There's Nate over there. Say hi, Nate. What are you about to do?
Fucking get a nap in, bro.
Alright, we'll see you guys in a couple hours. So, we just got done taking our naps, and oh man, were they freaking needed. I feel like $1,000,000. Still a little groggy, but I feel a lot better. I don't know where Nate went off to. See if we can't locate him. So it's funny, so you guys saw that we got here. Yeah, we got here at like 2 in the morning. Drove straight after work to get here. And we got a pretty cool parking spot. There have been people who've been driving by non-stop all day on in their trucks. Starting at like 8 a.m. So they definitely got till a late start. Nate! Nate! Apparently we lost Nate. I don't know where he went to. Still no sign of Nate. I don't know if a bear got him or what. I hope not. He had the truck keys. Alright guys, I found Nate. Told you he's glassing. Alright guys, we're headed out for our evening hunt now, day of opening day. Ain't that right, Nate? Our camp we got set up. Now I'm a straight mess. But it's gonna be money. We'll pass our nap area again. See my tent right there, or my hammock. There's Nate down there. Alright, keep you guys in the loop. So Nate, what tags are we actually here to fill today?
I'm gonna fill my elk tag.
What elk tag do you have?
Hey, you already know.
We're both here to fill our Archer's Choice. And hopefully we keep seeing the
About to fill my cattle tag.
yeah, we got lots of cows here. Hopefully we able to fill our tags today.
I'm looking at a young buck.
It's called a calf, bro.
Here at the water trough of the mountain. And they're gonna be coming right through here.
Is that where they came through this morning?
Yep. Came from this side, came in, started to go up, and then they almost stepped on you. So this time that's not gonna happen. They're gonna get an arrow through them. up, guys? I'm hungry and tired. And cold.
I'm just cold.
About an hour or two. The elk should be rolling in pretty hot. And when I say hot, I mean they're gonna be storming here like a damn stampede. Any minute now.
So we've been up there for about 4 hours, just sitting there waiting for, hopefully some elk to come through. And let me tell you, it was cold. All I had on was my summer ski gear, which, the downside of it being really breathable is that any type of wind that blows through just goes right through the clothing. And so us being on the shade and the sun, it wasn't facing us. So it was really cold, and we got there about 3. So we got there really early, actually, and sat there for a long time before we started to hear any commotion. Luckily, there's felled trees and branches everywhere, so when these elk are coming through, they're coming through really, really loudly. So this little bull that comes through, we heard him coming, a good 20-30 seconds before he actually showed up in our line of sight. After that little bull went up and must have smelled us, got out of there, about an hour later, we heard a bunch more commotion going on. I was like, all right, get ready. The elk are going to be coming through. But they actually went around us to our left, and we were kind of confused why they do that. Maybe, they knew something was going on, so they went around. But actually, that paid to our favor really well, because the wind was rolling off the mountain down towards the little watering hole, and so, our scent was getting dragged down there. Well, they were upwind from us, so they kind of, messed up a little bit right there. And luckily, the cow, she set up right perfectly. I was next to 2 trees, and there's about a foot gap, and she stopped, and Nate was able to range it for me, and I set my dial to 40 yards and set up everything that I needed to do to take the shot. big blood out.
Like you missed her?
Yeah, because it hit a tree or something.
If you hit her, she really
Where was she? She right here.
Yep.
Dude, where was she? Dude.
can't tell where she was standing. I don't see her arrow either.
It's like somewhere along this line. We'll get back to this. Real bubbly.
Yeah, dude.
You know,
Done. She's done.
dude, that's a long shot.
Dude, no, that was a perfect shot ever. You hit her literally. It could not have been any more perfect.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
Oh, mark this on your GPS. I'm a fucking kids.
Oh my god. Dude. Honestly,
See the hair right here. Why haven't I found any other blood though?
it's gonna be a long night, bro. Dude. Right? Those are bubbles,
Oh, yeah.
right?
Yep. You smashed her.
Dude, pass through. Alright, so we've been searching a little bit and we cannot find a blood trail anywhere. My flashlight died, so we're gonna run back to the truck and grab another flashlight and come back out here and do some more looking. I can't like slow down the video at all on what we're recording this with, so we can't really see exactly where we hit. But there's no blood anywhere. After searching and searching, we finally found the arrow covered with blood. It had, had bubbles on it, so we were, looked like a long shot. And looking and looking, and we could not find absolutely any blood trail, none. It was really disheartening. My flashlight died. It was getting dark. I wanted to run back to the truck quick and grab my headlamp and come back down and look for a blood trail. And Nate was like, nah man, just let me look, let's keep looking. I'm like, dude, I can't see anything, my flashlight's dead. But he kept looking and he kept looking, and he found blood. He found a blood trail.
I found some blood.
Alright guys, it's looking great. It's looking freaking great. Oh my god, dude, look at this.
I know.
Oh.
Follow me, man. It's fucking, you can see right there and I can.
Where at?
I'm really looking for shininess. Where'd she go?
Dude, we can't jump her if she's not dead. Cannot.
Oh my god.
Dude, there is.
Where'd she go from here?
Dude, we cannot.
Dude.
Oh, there it is. Dude, look at that. Okay, there it goes right there. Right there. Dude, if we get anywhere near her, she's gonna go.
Trust me, she's not gonna go far. You literally made the best shot that anyone could have ever. 40 fuck. I'm done. Should we look there? Yep. Oh, she's here.
Oh my god. Oh my god, bro.
Look how big that is.
Oh my god. Bro.
Get on that thing, bro. That my boy's first elk. Hey, she made the pack out a lot easier, didn't she?
Oh. Oh my god.
What an animal.
Beautiful, dude.
What an animal.
Dude. Beautiful. Unreal.
What you think, bro?
Unreal.
And your first archery kill?
First archery kill, opening day.
That's
Dude.
awesome, bro.
Look at her, man. Dude, look at her.
I can't believe how big she is.
She's huge, bro. Oh my god. Dude.
Put her hit up, man. Hey, that Rage 2 blade, though.
Dude. Oh my god. Unreal, man. Look at that. Look at that entry wound, though.
Dude, that was the exit.
You're
That's
right.
that's a nice long shot right there, man. That's what I always go for.
Look at that bubbles. And
Yeah.
all right, let's go get our packs, man.
Good job, dude.
Actually, gotta get a picture of me.
Yeah. Good job.
Unreal. Unreal, bro. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed making it. I really enjoyed filming it for you guys. Everything we do is for you. So please like, subscribe, comment. Check out our Facebook page. Check out our Instagram page. Hopefully we'll be bringing more content to you fairly soon. Huge shout out to Scree for the gear. Worked awesome. Blended really well with the terrain. And we'll see you guys later.